Alrighty guys, I'm a little on the piss side. This is one of my customers. Y'all hear that noise? Alright guys, that don't sound like an alternator, but here's what she got me to put on this car. See, this is what happens when you don't diagnose your own problem. Listen to that. I don't feel growling coming from this thing. I can sense it's coming from here. Somebody misdiagnosed this car. Alright, let's do this guys. I'm gonna take this belt off and we're gonna start spinning accessories. Hold tight. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm gonna fuss her ass out. See, this is what happened when I don't she don't let me diagnose it. She took it to another mechanic. Here's what they told her she needed, an alternator. So she bring me an alternator to put on. No, I'm about to make a phone call. Listen at that. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, I gotta take a trip to AutoZone. Let's get alrighty guys. I didn't calm down. I was kind of upset. I hope y'all saw that short video. Misdiagnosed by one of my friends, other mechanics. Guys, too many cooks in the kitchen would ruin a meal. Okay, if you have your set mechanic, stick with that guy. Alright, I done actually lost a little confidence in this lady. Okay, I feel betrayed. Alright, if I've already done this off at the adapter housing. The damn ticking noise. This is the one I did in my home in the garage. Y'all remember I did a Jeep Grand Cherokee? Same one. Ticking noise, all of this done. She had a noise. I didn't have time to look at it. She took it somewhere else. Oh, you need an alternator. JT, how much you charge for the alternator? Gave her my price. Here she come with this alternator and getting ready to put it on. Lo and behold, my suspicious kicked in. All right, let me check this car over. The alternator's charging and it's not noisy. Although you can have a noisy working alternator. I'm not saying that. I'm saying that's not what that noise is coming from. It's actually coming from the water pump. So, and she's low budget. I'm gonna have to go to AutoZone, guys. Imagine that. What the hell? I may actually end up with a Derman water pump? Nah. Y'all stay tuned, man. Alright guys, here we are. I gotta go in here and get me a damn water pump for this freaking Jeep that was misdiagnosed by one of my personal customers, bootleg mechanic. Oh my goodness. Let's get it. Arquest. Alrighty. Let's see if these bad boys come.
Yeah, it comes with a gas. All of our water pumps are even renames.
Yeah, I see a gasket in there. Mopar don't come with a gasket. Imagine that. What kind of warranty?
Lifetime.
Lifetime. What's not in that limited stuff? Just strictly lifetime.
No, it is limited.
What limited mean?
One-time replacement.
That's not lifetime then, is it?
Yeah, you get to pay a one-time in the lifetime.
Limited lifetime is not a real true lifetime. Alright, so we gotta hang on the receipt. What's in my...
It's in the system in your name.
Yeah, that's what they say about that radiator that magically disappeared.
You bought it online, so you got the copy of it.
That's not my problem to keep up with it though, is it? Yeah, I guess you're right.
I bet you lose the key to your microphone.
Nah, dog. Oh my goodness, y'all hear that? Limited lifetime warranty means you got one time to replace it. That's not so lifetime, is it? At least he kept it real with his explanations. Alright, so this CarQuest, like I say, I mean, I don't know. It's not a Derman, it's not a Mopar. I'm gonna have to suck it up and put this on, guys. Y'all know I'm a Mopar or no car type guy. Alright? But unfortunately, she don't have Mopar money. The Mopar one, even with my discount, is $220. This one was $93 and I used a coupon code online, brought it down to 80 something. And this guy give me a discount every time I come up here because I got it. Brothers Motors, we got an account up here, so shop account. So I get it dirt cheap. But my point is, yeah, I guess she saved $100. I just hope it lasts. Limited lifetime warranty. Y'all keep that in mind. Let me explain to you. I hope y'all caught some of that conversation. That was the manager I was talking to. So his explanation of limited lifetime warranty simply is lifetime. You get one chance to replace it in the life of the vehicle. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. Guys, I got work to do. Ooh, righty guys. Here we go, guys. Y'all know, y'all saw that piece of little footage. I went to Advanced Auto and got Freaking CarQuest, guys. Well, he explained what limited lifetime warranty is. Alright, y'all know I'm not a tutorial recorder video, right? So I'm about to replace this water pump. It's real simple, guys. 2 hoses at the bottom got to come off. I got to get my drain pan, remove the pulleys, and it's simple. Start removing the attaching bolts that attaches the water pump to the engine. So I'm not a tutorial guy. This is not a video on how to replace the water pump. If anything else, is how to diagnose noises coming from your engine. All right, this is pretty straightforward. All right, I just don't have the patience to do tutorial videos. However, I do have work to do, guys, so let me get at it, man. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna fire the camera back up when I get the alternator off. Let's do it like that. We'll talk some more. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I got it off. Here go my screws. Now, yeah, this is off. Ooh, this is pretty bad. Now, guys, let me explain something to you. This is OEM. This is original. Oh my goodness. Wait a minute. Yeah. Hold on. Look at that. Let me do it right here. Oh my goodness. That's a noise. Somebody misdiagnosed it, and I already said I'm gonna chew her ass out. Forgive my French, but I dare her. I feel like I've been, well, like I said, I was busy that day and I had time to check it out. But this is her noise. And I'm not putting that dumb alternator on because that's not a problem. I'm going in with a CarQuest water pump. Fairly easy, guys. Like I say, just remove the screws that attaches the water pump to the block, and you're good to go. This is a piece of cake. This is actually easier than the easiest water pump I've ever done. All right, so let me get the new one on, guys. A quick side note: when you pull these screws out, they got little O-rings on them. I think most of them stayed inside of the water pump. Well, right here. Let me show you. A lot of people say don't worry about it. I don't know. I guess I'm one of those guys that put stuff back. I don't know. In the event of a leak, I guess this acts as a seal. Maybe. I don't know. I just always put them back. Come on out of there. There you go. So that basically goes on all the long nuts. Okay. So it should be one of these on every nut. How important are they? I don't know. I'm just one of those guys that's going to put them back. Draw your own conclusions. Alright, so I got work to do. Let me finish this water pump job. Ready, guys. There you go. Look at it. Ain't she pretty? Just a pretty little old water pump, ain't it? Conquest. Look at it. It's so cute. I'd much rather have a Mopar though. Okay, you know me. Mopar or no car. None of that Derman stuff over here. Alright, but anyway, CarQuest is on. It looks like everything, but I got something else to cuss her out about, guys. Look at this. I'm thinking she went in. Somebody went in with some, you know what? And quite frankly, this could have played a role in ruining that water pump. Even though it's OEM, them 70 miles on here. Okay, 162. That water pump did good to go 162. It probably could have went a little longer if the cooling system wasn't interrupted by this crap. I have no idea what is eating. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, have mercy. All that's throughout her cooling system. Yeah, I'm gonna show her this. Man, people keep adding this. It ought to be a law for some of these companies to make this stuff and then sell it. And then on top of that, add guarantee to it. I can't even flush this out of here, guys. She got to go to get it flushed by somebody with a machine, an actual machine. I don't have a machine, coolant flush machine. Oh my goodness. All right, well, I just have to let her know. So in the meantime, I'm gonna fill it up with coolant and we're gonna wrap this up, guys. I'm so disappointed in her. Number one, by letting somebody diagnose it and they misdiagnosed it. Number two, I had to go get a water pump. And number three, this here, one of two things. I'm not her only mechanic, quite evident, right? Or she did this without my consent, without my knowledge, rather. Oh my goodness. All right, guys, y'all hold tight. Matter of fact, I'm about done. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, I am done. I don't know if y'all heard it. Yeah, I played a footage of it, but the before, and here's the after. And as you can see, a fresh new CarQuest water pump. Not a Dermy, guys. CarQuest, get it right. Alright, I'm done, guys. The noise is gone. You know, last but not least, I am not complete until I steam clean this engine and go test drive it. Alright, so that's what I'm about to do. Man, I appreciate y'all watching.